everyone, in today's video, I'll guide you through the process of enabling the internet speed indicator on your Android device. It's a handy feature to have, so let's jump right in. First, open the settings page on your Android phone. Then, search for speed indicator or connection speed. Or, locate notification and status bar to locate it. There are alternative methods for some devices. If you can't find the speed indicator option, try the following. First, search for status bar in the settings. Then, tap on status bar. Look for the option to enable the internet speed indicator and tap to enable it. And there you have it. Now, you should see the internet speed indicator in your notification bar. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it. And if you have any question or need further clarification, drop a comment below. And of course, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.